Hi, I'm Kendall Swenson, the creator of the Guide to Getting Glam. Now, as a makeup artist, I have heard over the years lots of things from my clients and friends. I have a drawer full of makeup that I just don't know how to use. Or, I'd like to really try something new with my makeup, but I feel overwhelmed. I don't know where to start. If any of that sounds familiar, then I have something that will help you. I created Glam Boot Camp, which is an online makeup class that will teach you the makeup artist techniques that you need to learn to do your own makeup like a pro. So, in this class, I'm going to teach you the step by step makeup skills that will help you improve your own makeup skills at home. Now, you could probably go have your makeup done by someone, but what happens when you get back home and you can't remember anything that you learned? Well, the great thing is with Glam Bootcamp, you can watch the videos in your powder room on your tablet or your phone, and then you can practice along. Because the great thing is, once you know the basic makeup skills, all the colors and the new trends just kind of become interchangeable. With Glam Bootcamp, I will teach you to improve your makeup skills, and that will help you save time and money and will help you refine your personal style. I will teach you to be your own glam squad.